Well, for GitLab, if you want to use SSH keys to communicate with GitLab, you're going to notice that in the repository, when you go to clone it, that it uses a username git@gitlab.local. Now this would be the same, whatever your repository is. What you want to do is go in and set a token in GitLab, or actually add a SSH key. So here you can add an SSH key. So I've already created one for this one, but so I want to be able to use the clone of GitLab. I want to be able to clone the Git repository from GitLab using an SSH key, so I don't have to type in a username and password. The way to do that is go into your local machine and generate a key that you could use in GitLab. Now you'll notice in here that GitLab supports a number of different key types, but the preferred key type is the ED25519. So that's the kind of key we want to generate. So basically we're going to go to our SSH directory, run these commands. Let me switch screens. All right, so we're going to go to SSH. Now, if you do any kind of SSHing, you're going to have this folder. If not, you have to create it. So if you had to create it, you would type make dir SSH. That would create. It already exists, so that's not going to work. So we can just change directory to SSH. And then we're wanting to do the ED 25,519. So we need to specify that. So the way we're going to do that is SSHgen. We're going to do the type as ED 2519. Now, we're trying to do this so we don't have to do passphrase, so just hit enter again and do no passphrase. Now, if you look in here, you'll see the test and the test pub. Test is going to stay in this folder. Test pub can be here as well. So basically what you're going to do is you want to edit that, copy that, the contents of the test.pub file. So you want to copy that into GitLab. You're basically going to copy that string right into here. And you'll see it's basically filled out, hey, this is coming from the desktop. Could put expiration date in here, but you don't need to, and then just hit add key. And that's it.